So for Kumchacha, Sabridi and Ebu Fupa were gay pa. Or say, Twene Jonas near one is saying, I mean, I see a dear near her wa. And I will near baby kaki can sembia emwa. Or see almost said the empennifono air no enye. Name mum so be wano. Aka asam also no cra went minka. Emfancheren another day. Or see adabraka. Or say, Chese, Twene Jonas near ma or yeno. E was se enabusianfo ewo ho a wo mutimi twebe no eka bibi ede kire no no se senko wo Ghana ha de a o ke sabri de enkedi besie asi o se senko wo Ghana ha nko ne Twene Jonas mi no sabri enka kikau pa because eniema abrante na ye no wo se wo hwa chese awre ho empanyimfo de na omani asi wo mo so obedi wo matem no ano edin ye pa yentie nsema Kumchacha eka ye
Dabi Twene Jonas what number one? So what walk breakfast 7 and which you do what a trend the answer day. I don't know no US war. That Nasi Basa. What you say? Twene Jonas and Nasi Basa. That Nasi Kura won't you cheat? Shall be must sing. Twene Jonas if you sing. But WW me back. Such Twene Jonas shall sing.
Twene has say
America. Na kwasia we wo anu maka memo no. Kwasia we wo anu maka bo na pone pa we say we. Ana mo jiji kwasia we susa.
Ya na Ghana for person mo finding the reason. I don't have problem.
Meba, ngami fa we nwuram. Twene Jonas video bi a meba me hwe ye. Twene Jonas to me sin nanado danko Kuffour ado mo fa ncheme. Eti na me to sabi bebre no sabe ne do so. To me si Kuffour ado kwasia. By searching the Jonas kwasam pani Jimmy fuwo ya ne sekura won twitwi na wo to me se nanado kwasia to me se Philadelphia for sem kwasia for to me didi prophet na adum chedu atam se sebe nanim ti say na wo to me kika we ya sebe na bi Twene Jonas no ye hen de aduma no ye osole ano nam Worcester no nam ayi Boston no nam wa mami tutu bi mono na wonam ha fifi Twene Jonas ntie weyi ono no waka US wontumi magano woye be mami ametwa print ekiti ama na omra ya woye be ma womra wajimi wonim nyansa ya ka bato won wasam afia poku ensese ko ka bi na so no woye Jehovah Witness ni onto aba oye Jehovah Witness ni onto aba na momo onto aba na wo de wo ye kan abato won asem afia wo beka okora so na wo ye political de be hu show wo de wo political de be wo na ye hu show ena kuro mu wa no mafifi ye wo na ye wo no miss of Kumchacha me nyame ya adom na daachi bia me bedi president ya asole ya megu na me condemn na gu nipa ye Jehovah Witness asole asen momo nto aba han ne nkoto aba ne enkoyi president na mo de munya aban ye adwuma nye ye nkwase afo
what is the taxes?
Nothing. What your tax? What your ma'am? What do you to aba? What do you about to one to be? Why you want from? Why you want from? And yet the young codina will be no ensuo moyen. Ya to a benny we are now by a jumano. Now what be na one more daleta where jumanum me a CEO, may a dear bed, bank manager. When you ma baby that walk Ghana, had Jehovah Witness for I take you fun. I am penny for. What you say? Ninia ya le kwara ya de ne ko hospital on twimodia ma na won twema no on twema no wicked on twimodia sadentia de bisa bebre ya nurse ya doctors Jehovah Witness for sa urade ya adom na me da chi bia me be ya president na me ya president ya Jehovah Witness ni bia onya ba ya dwuma nye da won to aba han ne nkoto aba afia poku a we ye Jehovah Witness ni on to afia poku avim lady say election we no ani bre wo mo no anya ni break it wo e to keke nsem bi sa de Nicholas Omani ye champion tabi tekum ene na nsa wakoma comment bi se John Mahama we nsa no ye nsa dwie ni no yes e wo mi fonso sesi a wakoka Nicholas Omani ye champion a waye ne ponku so obi a okoso amante alalat waye ne ponku ati so obi a okoso amante alalat sa Nicholas Omani ye champion ni so jimifo pa twa dabi na wo the whole president me fifi chai
dabi o asoma America no ti enya se wo de wakwa kwanya sa ati na also be DH no I one of it.
Na said the nsuo ye no sa na owi ai. Eti Nicholas Omani champion na. Osole a ode John Mahama anim etwitwi fom. Na wo no be ka kire John Mahama say na John Mahama da obeye den say nye ufidie we na so a eso a ka meka kire Nicholas Omani champion say John Mahama obeye nini ene ne se.
Na de wo say fidie no so.
Dabi say suntimi mpasa meka wa ha. Dabi anka meka kire ne so obeye nini ne se. Dabi wa Jimmy Papa. When you call us woman, you jump or press guy like you. Now the catch that John Mahama said, "What real son?" Over catch that John Mahama said, "And more some noye." Now what real son? Stupid guy like you. Stupid idiot.
Come, Yabutre.
One you can.
Come, Yabutre.
No bomb me won't be that. You call us woman, you jump on. Passia, what Pia? Don't let the mocker say.
I will say a kingdom 107.
Now be able to say a kingdom.
And they did us all criticize will be a who did the panatel.
The woman said,
"When to get dinner, I want to make criticize on that.
Mammy can we? And Sunday may do be at on 15 patch here you. Proverbs 26, verse 4. Was here do baby? I may walk was any nejimism. Now one year so no. One send Nicholas or Mania champion say, or Becca, no, I can't remember dear. What I say, why back come dear baby, no, I can't draw my hammer dear. No, I back come dear, no, I can't draw my hammer dear. Nano crowd or Bema comment to be some macrano, mini baby da. What I say, Obi a meme baby, I'm a tear 12 bedrooms, 12 bedrooms. Or see me mini baby da. And or back can ya. It was a memuana, Proverbs 26, 4. And I would jump above verse 5. Proverbs 26, 5. Was here do baby a bua or quasia. And in the Jimism. No one yen then is so yen yansani. And a Proverbs 18 says, was what quasia. At the same Nicholas woman near champion, nano men talk about meba. Nana sumo frefres otro. Proverbs meba. Oh, Proverbs 18 says, Quasia no men talk about. Mama no see what high 50 sorry I mempe. I would your mama no see what or Quasia Proverbs 18 says, nano men talk about Nason frefres otro. The original when you man wow shema man bang bako. And the Christians 10:3 was it a quembia or Quasia. A fast one or Quasia to say Nicholas or Mania champion fast one. And as a one amount to me, the ultra public in Nasa or Quasia. And one may no. Also, when you when you say Quasia for baby, I said, it's why young Quasia quotation baby or Bible. Quasia quotation. Who beside the same person? So will be a castle man, then a year. And then, yes,
may choose on slice will be a why so they your friends are to be giving money at the baby.
Fifi.
I don't know why.
Fifi.
Why is it? I was about
Fifi. Obi tons woman apese wina. One tons woman to me. The anano yana ya de ya. Any shiano. Once a won't see me here with me kurum. Say time now wo UK. One man asiebi. E wo me kurum match mapiga. Me nkonwa din a won de ma me. Eye nana wo di atem. A wan koka na won me count the first. Me nkonwa din no. E wo me kurum match mapiga. Nana wo di atem. I want kokana one account the first. So will be number one and Kumchacha and Makudina to maybe see that. And I remember don't for those so chair my time for. And will be what time be ours as if you so name Quanisha. Once it will be our time here, or person watch that and will be it won't who's will be church on Quasia, some family on our time on the Brescia. I was as you so.
So back and some Trony Obi Echo man penny Kuffour na say and then a cobon como. Ebisana the current situation, the economy of Ghana, say Bawumia Oshana, or ya dear, and answer on ya dear, because that time I know was a dollar no, a 1 cedi, I think say 1 cedi, name Obusasa Sabrea, and near Mama Pejay, why you sure say Bawumia, MPP for GD on Mwana. And I go for say Bawumia ya dear papa. Bawumia ya dear because Ohanwa, and you know Nestia Nukrano. Omampenyi Kuffour say no enestia na ekura no na say o ba governance obia ne de obia ene ne de enu ti Bawumia de wa wo be blame no na wan kasa no won hye na anim amanwesam sa owie ya na Kevin Taylor say papa Kuffour oh
officially edina your friend ye papa Kuffour no ye twem ye see ebe fro ye nua be ma Kuffour you don't deserve papa. I'm going to tell you from your comments, from your statement, I think say when you're from papa, we are deceiving ourselves and we are basically basically lifting you to a level that you have not gotten to. Inti yenua bema Kuffour kasa. Osidien. I have been president before in Ghana. The government is the president. Muntie yenua bema Kuffour asema oka. Ours is an executive presidency. All other persons in government are only advisors, including the vice president. Or say, on with the president pen. Or be different Bawumia into the reason ye. Or say, hey, it is sometimes what you do. Or say a president, no, a executive president. Na say entiasia abino a president no kwa. Na obia oka president no be a advisor. Enti mama obia mblemu Bawumia. Enti oka the NPP government Kuffour kwa because or executive. Hey, I think Yebra Kuffour, you yourself, you need an advisor. From this statement, it clearly shows say there can be a deliberate, we are very diabolic. So this is what you are using to defend Bawumia. Say yanko to abama Bawumia. Dia ukroma na Bawumia kache say through oneno 30 aye policies aye juma ema wa implement. Yet yakura mo kache say or say 1st December dialysis be out there on the ba. Say yeah tie dia wo kan na it means Kuffour kwa should take the blame and take the credit. And nobody should see Bawumia as somebody who has contributed a dime to Nana Addo Kuffour's government, because every single person in this government is an advisor. How can you make politics so filthy? Bawumia cannot take responsibility. Bawumia cannot take responsibility for anything. You are trying to sideline Bawumia to make Kuffour as one person who should take responsibility for everything happening. Mahamudu Bawumia ne Kuffour win elections. Bawumia any Kuffour any the Bible ni Quran show me enu kwansem se omum fosrombra embedin tam. Then endoka say Bawumia is an advisor like any stupid NPP follower. All because you want to clean a dirty pot. You want to use your position to lie. You are deliberately sitting in a chair to mislead millions of people. And it to Ghana ne krone say only one person penny bit magic Ghana. Or he be any Ghana bit magic Ghana. No chief. Or he be any what credibility obet makasama in Tokwesi Ghana ubi abejai then tomato or netwa or he be any Ghana. No chief. No chief has the credibility, the respect. No chief holds that command. That respect Ghanaians will look and say, what dear, no chief in Ghana and no man of God. The only person who can speak today for everybody to stop all hearts to calm down, the chief imam. Anytime they be a bompire, chief imam. When we rely on people like you, Kuffour, any hackman, Wuswajiman, any ahimfunibia, a crow webe bo. They be a bompire as Ghanaians, sir. We should pray for the chief imam to live longer. I swear to God. Onon kwani nipa. Send them to Kwesi Ghana, obetuma kasama obiya, Christoni, Greboni, dien, obiya the tools be good for me. I can say, yes, chief imam has spoken. Apart from the chief imam, nobody. Hear this. Are you not ashamed? Mobda, number bompire. Every day, Mompire Kakrama chief imam na onyini check a crank. Hey, if you people lose that man, your country is gone. Mo dia mo amon kan kire me, mo amon tutu mani. Why na betuma ba TV so na o issue stay. Why na cameras betuma kɔ no ho, say Ntokwesi Ghana. Why na TV nyina betuma kɔ no ho, e ma na tena TV ani maka say odi nyame din sre Ghana yenjai. Why na betuma kasa ma yegyina yejai? It's only the chief imam, nobody. He is holding your democracy together. At least for now. When he steps away and asks Allah in his own wisdom, because the chief imam, today is the day, come. Now, ready, you are done. On side right now, you are sitting down. Hey, suffer bang. Hey, or he bang, or he be any ho, or he be any Ghana, or betima stop and talk, or he be any Ghana. The chief imam, God in his own wisdom, has kept him till this point. On him the reason. Majority of us in our families, men drew that age. But for some reason, Allah in his own wisdom is still keeping this man. We need to understand. He is holding the democracy of this nation together. And I am saying this confidently. And nyansa eni nim Ghana, they understand what I am saying. Look at your ex-president. Hear what he's saying. And that the government is one person, the executive. And that the vice president and everybody in this government are advisors. Wow.
Jupay money transfer bi ana wo Canada wo US. Wo send this car e dia bagana making sure say ubebo me promo code ni DJKA. After say we download the application e dia to phone so Jupay. Wo send this car na obenya sika kwa dia account sika. O dey send dia brand Ghana so yente ne car pre. Jupay e ya man sign bo afo. Me da say so J brand ahwe DJK Nyanza TV. Subscribe it, press the notification button for more uploads. Me da say bye bye.